Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 10 natural indoor air purifiers. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. So let's get started. First up, we have the spider plant. The spider plant effectively removes harmful chemicals like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. Formaldehyde is a common indoor pollutant found in products like furniture, flooring, and household cleaners, while xylene is often released from paints and varnishes. The spider plant is incredibly beginner-friendly as it thrives in a variety of conditions and is very forgiving if you forget to water it occasionally. To maintain your spider plant, simply water it when the top inch of soil feels dry and give it bright, indirect light. Remember to occasionally trim the brown tips of the leaves to keep it looking its best. Next, we have aloe vera. Aloe vera is not only a popular houseplant known for its medicinal properties, but also an effective air purifier. It helps remove toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene from the air. This succulent is beginner-friendly, as it requires minimal care and can thrive in bright, indirect light. To care for your aloe vera, water it deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. It's best to use a well-draining cactus mix to prevent root rot. Additionally, the gel found within its leaves can be used for soothing burns and skin irritations. At number 3, we have the Areca Palm. The Areca Palm is an excellent air purifier, removing toxins like toluene and xylene, which are often found in paint thinners and adhesives. This beautiful plant is beginner-friendly due to its low maintenance needs. To keep your Areca Palm healthy, water it when the top inch of soil is dry and ensure it gets bright, indirect light. Fertilizing every few months during the growing season will help it thrive. Now the peace lily. The peace lily is known for its ability to remove harmful toxins like ammonia and formaldehyde from the air, with ammonia commonly found in cleaning products and fertilizers. It is perfect for beginners because it can thrive in low-light conditions. To care for your peace lily, water it when the soil feels dry to the touch and keep it out of direct sunlight to avoid leaf burn. Enjoy its beautiful white blooms during the growing season. At number 5, we have the rubber plant. The rubber plant is a powerful air purifier, effectively removing formaldehyde from the air. It is a great choice for beginners, as it's quite forgiving and can tolerate low light. To care for your rubber plant, water it when the top inch of soil is dry and wipe the leaves occasionally to remove dust. This will help it absorb more light and stay healthy. Coming in at number 6, the snake plant. The snake plant is a champion at filtering out toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. This plant is probably the hardiest one in our list due to its drought-tolerant nature. To maintain your snake plant, water it sparingly, only when the soil is completely dry. It can thrive in low light but prefers bright, indirect light for optimal growth. Next, we have Pothos. Pothos is known for its ability to remove indoor air pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. It's perfect for beginners because it grows quickly and can thrive in a variety of lighting conditions. To care for your Pothos, water it when the top inch of soil is dry and give it bright, indirect light for best results. It's also a great plant for hanging baskets or shelves due to its trailing vines. Eighth on our list is the lady palm. The lady palm is effective at filtering out indoor air pollutants like ammonia, which is found in many cleaning products. It's known for its ability to improve overall air quality and is beginner-friendly because it requires minimal care. To maintain your lady palm, keep the soil slightly moist and place it in indirect light. Dust the leaves occasionally to keep them clean and help the plant breathe better. Now we have the bamboo palm. The bamboo palm is great at filtering out toxins like benzene and formaldehyde while also adding moisture to the air. It's perfect for beginners as it's easy to care for. To keep your bamboo palm healthy, water it when the top inch of soil is dry and provide it with bright, indirect light. It's also a great plant for larger spaces due to its height. And last but not least, the ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is known for its ability to filter out toxins like saline and toluene, which can be found in paints and solvents. It's incredibly beginner-friendly due to its low water requirements and ability to thrive in low light. To care for your ZZ plant, water it only when the soil is completely dry and it can tolerate neglect. Its glossy leaves add a touch of elegance to any room. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the 10 natural indoor air purifiers. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!